And we are continuing our journey from the mobile wallets to telemedicine. Cases from Africa are showing how AI is solving basic tasks in the environment of limited traffic and infrastructure. What makes the infrastructure stable, resilient? Staff, partnerships? Let's meet our next speaker, the president of the African Research AI Institute, Armel Ndoumba, with a talk on the AI ecosystem in the emerging markets.
Hello, everyone. My name is Armel Ndoumba. Like they just say, I'm the telecommunication advisor of Minister of ICT of the Republic of Congo. I'm also the national coordinator of the African Research Center for Artificial Intelligence. Today, I will be talking with you about the AI ecosystem in emerging markets. But before I get started, ladies and gentlemen, let me say this. On behalf of the government of the Republic of Congo, I would like to sincerely thank you, the organizer, for inviting us for this important meeting. We are honored to be here and grateful for the opportunity to join this high level on future global technological cooperation. The Republic of Congo and the Russia Federation share a very long-term and long-standing partnership based on mutual respect and strategic collaboration. Over the year, the relationship expand from traditional sectors such as defense, education, energy to include major development in science and emerging technologies. Russia's expertise in high-performance computing, research, autonomous system, and sovereignty AI market is a key partner for our country. Today, we are entering in a new phase of our cooperation, focused on shared ambition, knowledge exchange, and joint innovation to build strong, secure, and future-ready digital ecosystem. This comes at a time where artificial intelligence has become a major global force shaping economy, industry, governance, and international relations. The Republic of Congo is moving in this direction through a clear vision, ambition, and strong partnership, especially with the Russian Federation, positioning our country as an emerging hub of AI, cybersecurity, research, and digital governance. Now, let me say this. The artificial intelligence is no longer the technical milestone. It is becoming one of a powerful economic focus in our area. By 2030, it expects to generate $15.7 trillion in global economic value, a figure that dramatically reshapes geopolitical balance and development trajectory around the world. Unlike the mature economy, emerging nations like us are not burdened by out-of-date infrastructure. This gives us the strategic advantage, enabling them to develop the cutting-edge digital system, modern, agile, and tailored to their needs. Without a contract of older technology, this transformation is being accelerated by powerful force. Like you say, in Africa, we have a very rapid urban growth. We have a widespread adoption of mobile technology, like mobile money, and a steady increase of government and private sector investment in digital. This shift is enabling government to build systems that are transparent, more efficient, and more responsive to the needs of their citizens. In short, emerging markets are not simply in the global transformation, they are helping to drive it. Now, let's see what defines the AI ecosystem. First of all, we have a digital infrastructure. This is the high availability data center, the national fiber network, the sovereignty cloud architecture, scalable computer, and advanced cyber security form the operational backbone. Without any stack, no AI system can be achieved reliability, performance, and security. Second one is the data sovereignty. Data constitute, from our perspective, a primary substrate of AI model. Control over data generation, storage, governance, and protection is essential to ensure contextual relevance, algorithm quality, and national data autonomy. And then we have a talent and research capacity. Engineer, data science, university, and research lab provide intellectual infrastructure that transform computing resources into the real technological capacity. And then the fourth one is the innovation ecosystem. Startup, incubator, and tech hub convert research and idea into the deployable solution. And the last one is the governance, policy, and ethic. Regulatory framework, standard and ethical guidelines ensure secure, interoperable, and accountable AI deployment. Only when these 5 pillars operate in integrated and synchronized manner can a nation build a resilient, sovereignty, and suitable AI ecosystem. Let's see now, why emerging market? Emerging market is now occupy a decisive position in the global digital economy due to structural advantage that enhance their technical comprehensive. Moreover, emerging economies have the ability to deploy high efficiency, scalable digital infrastructure, leveraging minimal legacy content and to innovate rapidly. The solution frequently outperforms those developed in saturated market due to their agility, resilience, and suitability in the real-world solution. As a global innovation becomes increasingly decentralized, emerging markets are transforming from technology consumer to primary innovation node. Let's see pillar of a successful ecosystem. I think I just already talked about this. So we need international cooperation, digital infrastructure. We need the human capital development, the scientific research, the local innovation, ethical standard. Now let's see the use case. Artificial intelligence is no longer a simple technological innovation. It is restructuring core societal systems across all sectors. In agriculture, AI optimized yield, predictive climate analytics, and enhanced early detection of crop threat. In finance, transaction security, expand financial inclusion, improve fraud detection framework. In healthcare, AI accelerate diagnostic, support preventive medicine. In education, it enables adaptive learning, enhance connectivity, and reduce structural inequality. In public administration, for example, AI improves transparency, process efficiency, and service delivery. For emerging markets, these applications are not optional. They address critical operational needs tied to production, health, education, and governance. In this context, AI becomes an instrument of development, sovereignty, and social equity. It is designed not to replace the human capability, but to augment them, expand opportunity, and improving quality of life. Now, let's talk about the Republic of Congo. Building digital sovereignty in emerging nations requires a sequential deployment of core infrastructure and institutional capability. The process begins with fundamental digital access. I say the data center to ensure secure in-country data storage and processing, a national fiber optic, I just talked about it. A top of this foundation, the country can scale an AI capability through a dedicated institution such as the CARIA. CARIA is the African Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, serving as a national hub for AI research, talent development, and innovation. For this nucleus emerge applied initiatives, including AI educational, like the Wi-Fi hotspot, and e-government digitalization project, both designed to expand services, accessibility, and operational efficiency. Sovereign AI development also requires strategic partnership, combining ethical cooperation with countries like Russia, China, regional integration with Smart Africa, and academic collaboration with international universities to accelerate knowledge transfer and capacity building. The key lesson is clear. Emerging markets can efficiently build robust, sovereign AI ecosystem when driven by the current vision, structure, strategy, and trust global partnership. This pathway is already being operationalized by nations committed to technological ambition and digital independence. Let's see the challenge in the emerging market. Emerging markets are structural content that hinder digital transformation, including limited infrastructure, high operational cost, and sufficient high-performance computing capacity, persistent cybersecurity exposure, and significant talent out-migration. These challenges are substantial, yet they often act driven of innovation rather than barrier. To compensate for infrastructure gaps, countries increasingly adopt edge computing architecture, decentralizing processing power, and reducing reliance on large centralized data systems. While financial resources are constrained, they develop high-efficiency innovation model, production, cost-effective, and high scalable technological solution. Now, this is the strategic pathway. First of all, it's the AI, it's the talent development. AI capability depend primarily on human capital, engineer, data science, and research to able to design secure, involve advanced system, nations that do not train their youth, advancedly fuel the talent pipeline and other. And then we also have a digital infrastructure. This here is the data center, the cloud platform, the high-performance network, and robust cybersecurity framework from backbone of digital autonomy and institutional trust. And then we also have a governance and regulation. Effective AI ecosystem require clear legislation, ethical oversight, and strategic state direction to ensure stability, interoperability, and responsible deployment. And then also we have a local innovation, the international scientific cooperation. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, I will say this. Emerging markets are no longer following the global technological movement. They are helping to shape it. With their vast reservoir of unique data, their young and ambitious talent, and their bold vision for the future, these nations are redefining how artificial intelligence will transform our world in the decade ahead. The future of AI will not belong to a single region, nor to a single model of development. The future of AI will be multipolar. It will be diverse. It will be shaped by Africa, by Latin America, by Asia, by all nations that choose sovereignty and innovation. The next chapter of a global technological leadership will be written not only in global capital, but in emerging city, research hub, and innovation center across the global south. And as this new digital area unfold, one trust becomes clear. Those who invest in their people, their data, and their sovereignty today will be the nation who lead the world tomorrow. Thank you. I'm so sorry. It was a challenge for me. It was my very first time do a presentation in English. I always do a presentation in French. Thank you so much and be with me.
Dr. Eric Armel Ndoumba.
Dr. Eric Armel Ndoumba.
Here today. Thank you for sharing your invaluable insights.